Hello guys, hope so you are doing good. In this video I will show you how to fix the media keep stopping error in Moto G77. First of all, reset app preferences. Open setting. Now in settings, scroll down, click on system, scroll down, click on reset option, click on reset app preferences and click on reset app. After click on reset app preferences will be reset from your phone. Now go back. After that, software update. Open setting. Now in settings, scroll down, click on system updates, click on check for update and click on update. After click on update, your phone software will be updated from your phone. Now go back. After that, reset all setting. Again open setting, scroll down, again click on system, scroll down, again click on reset option, scroll down, click on reset device setting and again click on reset device setting. After click on reset device setting will be reset from your phone. This is how you can fix media keep stopping error in Moto G77. I hope you like this video and thanks for watching this video.